Hello everyone, my name is Pari. Welcome to my channel Sari Kaman. So today I let you know about geometry. Geometry is very easy and very interesting. So let's start. So first there are some lines. Okay, now let me tell you about that line. There are how many lines? There are three type of lines. Okay, there are three types of lines. Okay, there are three types of lines. So they are, let me also introduce them. Okay, so first is line. Second is line. Second is line segment. Third is ray. These are the lines. Now I tell you how they formed. So they are formed very easy. You know how lines formed? Line is formed like this. Line is formed like straight. Wait, let me show you once again. Line will be straight. Then, and it has all are straight, but the line has no end point. It will be go on, and go on. Then the second is line segment. You know, line segment is formed like this. Line segment is formed like this. One dot and one dot. And it has two end points. Okay, a line has no end point and the line segment has two end points. And a ray is going on in only one direction. Okay, now there is point also. Point will be like this and it will be marked like uh, a alphabet and it will point. This will be marked as point. Okay, it is very easy. Hope you understand this. Okay, then the next things come. Now we'll do more about lines. We know about more about lines. Okay, then there are three types of lines more. Okay, now these also three more three lines. These are also very simple. Let me introduce them. Okay, first line is parallel line. First line is parallel line. Second line is perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. Third is intersecting line. Okay, these are the lines. This is intersecting line, and now I tell you how they formed. Okay, now I tell you how they formed. Parallel lines are formed like this. One straight line and this. This is how parallel lines formed, and perpendicular lines are formed like a plus. Okay, and intersecting line is become like a multiply sign. It will make x and perpendicular makes t. Okay, it will be half t is like this. So like this, it will be also like this, and parallel lines are they have gap between, and some lines that it will be given like this. Then we go They will meet like this. They will meet like this. These are not parallel lines. Okay? Mm, mm, they are not parallel lines. And what do you do? These are not called a parallel lines. And what do you have to do? If they meet each other, they are not parallel lines. Perpendicular lines makes T, intersecting lines make X, and parallel lines have gap between. Now let me show you how they form in a proper way. I have the book which they show a proper way how they. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is how the three lines meet and how they. Okay, then there are angles. Angles are also very easy to know. Okay, angles are very easy. You know, in a few minutes. Okay, angles. What are angles? Angles are there are angles. Let me introduce the angles. How many angles? First angle is right angle. Okay. Second is, do you know, acute angle. Third one is obtuse angle. Okay, these are three, and there is one more. Fourth one is straight angle. Okay, so now I tell you how they formed. Okay, so right angle will be formed like a triangle. This, like this. Okay, this will be how acute angle formed. Then how obtuse angle formed? Obtuse angle is formed like this, like a tick, or like this, or like this. Okay. Then how right angle formed? Right angle is very simple. Simple. Very. It's formed like this. This. Okay. Then how straight angle? Straight is very easy. A straight line. This is straight angle. Now I write the names of this like you will be have no problem in it. This is obtuse. This is obtuse angle. These threes. These twos are acute angles. These two are right angle. And this is a straight angle. Straight. I hope you all know this very well. In next video, I'll tell you about measuring angles, how to classify angles, and how to use protractor and drawing angles. Okay, I'll tell you this in the next class. Bye children. I hope you all know this very well. Meet you in the next video. Bye. Take care.